For Magnum Media, I'm Reed Magnum, getting a chance to visit with Sara Horras. She's orthopedic physician assistant at SSM Health in Baraboo. So much you have to know to do your position, Sara. It's impressive visiting with you. What are some of the diagnostic techniques you commonly use to assess orthopedic issues with your patients?
Well, one of the most important things that is very basic is just listening to the patient and getting a good history from them. I always learned in school, I had a teacher that said 95% of the diagnosis is just getting a good history from them. And I think that's very true. Now, certainly in orthopedics, we do rely on x-rays a lot to, further assess a condition, especially arthritis or a broken bone. MRIs are another common test that we'll order too. It's, more so if I'm ordering it, I already have a high suspicion of the diagnosis, and this just kind of helps confirm it and kind of further classify the extent of the injury.
Orthopedics is always improving. It's always changing. How do you stay updated with these latest advancements and treatments in orthopedic care?
Yeah, and it is always advancing and changing. A big thing is just reading some journal articles for some newer studies, newer techniques. Our orthopedic department as a whole kind of sits down together a couple times a month, and we talk about new trends, and then also just reviewing cases with other doctors or physician assistants, maybe something unusual or different they saw, or hey, how would you approach this? How would you treat this? We definitely do a lot of that.
Sara, what's the best way for someone to make an appointment with SSM Health Orthopedics in Baraboo?
Yeah, so they can call us at 608-294-6464, or they can log on to ssmhealth.com, search for orthopedics, and type in the zip code and find our information that way.